Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am back to making normal videos now that Halloween is over, but I really hope that y'all enjoyed my 13 days of Halloween. I always love doing them, so I hope that y'all like them as well. Let me know down below in the comments which Halloween look was your favorite. But for today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this look using the Tartelette Toasted palette by Tarte. This is one of my favorite fall and winter palettes, so if you want to see how I got it, then just keep watching. So I went ahead and did my foundation, concealer, and all of that. I used my normal foundation, which is Concealer by Tarte, my all-time favorite foundation. And then for my under eyes, I started off with this Tarte CC Under Eye Corrector and then topped it off with Shape Tape. And then I set everything with a translucent setting powder. Now I'm contouring my cheeks a little bit, and I'm using the Gucci Powder Bronzer, which I absolutely love. This is actually the first time I'm using it, and I am already so obsessed. And look at this packaging. Now for blush, I'm using the Tarte blush in the shade Glisten, which is one of my favorite colors. And then for highlighter, I'm using an oldie but a goodie, the Laura Geller Baked Highlighter in the shade Gilded Honey. Next, I'm going in with the Gucci brow pencil to fill my brows. My friend Whitney told me about this product, and she is always sharing new products, awesome makeup looks, so I will link her Instagram down below in the description bar in case y'all want to check her out. But I absolutely love this brow pencil. You barely have to use any product, so I feel like this is going to last me forever. And before I do my eyeshadow, I'm just lining my upper waterline with a black eyeliner, and then after I get my lower lash line done, I'm also going to add it to my lower waterline as well. I'm starting off with the shade S'more. This is going to be my base color. It's going to even everything out as well as set my lid. For my transition color, I'm going in with the shade Latte. I'm placing it right above my crease and blending up just a little bit. And I always like to start off with a little bit of product and just build it because it's easier to build than to take away. And I just build it until it's as dark as I want, and then I will take a clean fluffy brush and buff out the edges. Next, I'm using the shade Warmth and placing it slightly above my natural crease. This is because I have hooded eyes, and if I was to look forward, you can't see my natural crease, so I have to sort of create my own. Hopefully that makes sense. So I'm just going to do the same thing, just build it and then go back in with a clean fluffy brush. Using Warmth again, I'm buffing it all the way across my lower lash line. And now I'm using my favorite shade in the palette, Flame, and placing it all over my lid. Using the shade Fireside, which is a really pretty deep plum, I'm going to place it on the outer corner of my lid, kind of blend it into my crease. Then I'm also going to add it to the outer corner of my lower lash line as well. I thought I would would switch mascara up today, and I'm using the Pillow Talk mascara from Charlotte Tilbury. This is my second or third time using it, I think, and it did take me a little while to get used to this wand, but I do really like it. It didn't get clumpy, it didn't flake off, and it was easy to take off at the end of the day as well. And for my lower lashes, I'm using the MAC Extended Play Mascara, and I know it's a little extra to have a lower lash mascara, but this wand is absolutely perfect for the lower lashes since it's so small, and I don't have any trouble with it running or flaking off either. And to finish out the look, I'm using one of the Charlotte Tilbury Holiday lipsticks in the shade Super Nude. It is a really pretty kind of pinky brown color. It's a great neutral that would look good on so many different skin tones, and it was very creamy and comfortable to wear. So that completes this look. I really hope that y'all liked it. As I mentioned before, I think this would be a really good Thanksgiving look or fall festival, date night, really anything fall related because of these colors. I think I love this palette so much because it reminds me of the fall leaves changing, but I just think it is so pretty and you could do so many different looks with it. But if you like this look, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my upcoming videos. I make new ones every week. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.